welcome back. This is Rando Geek. So guys, I just want to share two products with you. Normally I don't share too many products unless it's something that I've bought or something that I really believe in, something that I think is a good value. All my unboxing videos, all things that I've bought. I do reviews on things that I've actually bought that I've needed for myself, whether it's some kind of technical item for my computer or phone or something for the house, DIY, security camera, whatever it is. Anything I buy is a true review. I'm not paid by anybody to tell you anything about how I feel about the product. It's something that I've picked up because I've wanted it or needed it. And then I just share my opinions and thoughts with you and give my recommendation on whether I think it's something worth buying or not. So in this case, I came across these. There's two SSDs that I came across. They're both from Silicon Power. And basically, they just have really good deals right now. So if you guys are looking for some new SSD and you want an NVMe M.2, Silicon Power right now on Amazon has very good deals. You can pick up a 1 terabyte NVMe for $37.99, free shipping, and of course it's not prime free shipping. There's a little delay with it, probably because there's a shortage of supply. But I mean, if you're willing to wait, saying here the estimated delivery date is Sunday of this week. So if you're willing to wait till Sunday, you'll have yourself a 1 terabyte Silicon Power SSD for $37.99. All right. The next one is they have a really good deal on a 2 terabyte. 2 terabyte, $74.99, $75. And this will actually come, this is a little bit longer on this one. It's saying Thursday, May 11th. Now, when you go to checkout, I just want to let you know, if you were to add it to cart, it'll show that, there's an option for, you could see here how it says our fastest delivery is like Tuesday, May 9th. They may send it 2 days earlier. I would just say you'll probably get it. Give yourself till May 11th. But again, I know I don't like to wait for things, so I can't blame you if you want it quicker. Unfortunately, if they don't have it quicker, they can't send it quicker. But if you're okay with waiting a little bit, this is an excellent deal. Both of these. All right, 1 terabyte, $37.99, and 2 terabyte, $74.99. Very good if you're a content creator or a gamer and you want extra storage. These are very good deals. The ratings are very good, as you can see. A lot of good positive ratings. So, not a bad deal at all. It's up to you guys. I'm not here to sell you anything. However, I will leave my affiliate link in the description if you choose to buy it. I would appreciate if you use the affiliate link, as it would help the channel. Otherwise, that's it for this one, guys. And if you do pick it up and you use it for a little bit, feel free to come back and let me know in the comments section how you feel about it, whether or not you're satisfied with the product. Just curious. I'm actually thinking of picking up the 2 terabyte myself for video storage. So we'll see. All right, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Laters.